Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a paper silver dollar eucalyptus and paper olive leaves using my Cricut template. The materials and the template for Cricut and Silhouette is linked below the video. I also have a tutorial with freehand cutting for those that don't have cutting machines and want to cut them by hand, also linked below the video. My template will include a few different shapes so you could make a variety of them. And I do have a standard size reference with the template, but you could feel free to make them smaller or bigger to have more variety in your leaf bundle. We'll start with the silver dollar eucalyptus. These come in a pair, so you will have to carefully keep track of them, matching them in pairs, because you will have to flip the second pair to match it front and back. While you have it matched, you could crease it down the middle. This doesn't have to be perfectly down the middle, but this crease will help you line your floral wire. I put a little bit of hot glue down the middle crease, add the floral wire, then add glue around the leaf and sandwich the pair. While you glue these, you'll have to quickly add some shaping by curling the sides out or in. This is a quick process since you want to do this before the hot glue dries up. You want to add the stem, sandwich, and curl all before the hot glue dries, because once the glue dries, it'll be too stiff. I like to make 5 leaves per branch when I add them in my paper flower bouquets, so I'll be repeating this for 5 leaves. Once you have the 5 leaves glued, you can now floral tape the wire about an inch or so down the wire. Floral tape is tricky, so you'll have to stretch the tape, press as you go to activate the stickiness from the floral tape. I like to do this to each leaf, but this is optional. I personally feel like it looks more complete with the floral tape on the wire, but if you have a green wire already, you don't have to necessarily floral tape each one. Then I like to bundle 2 leaves together and bundle 3 leaves for a more branch look. Once you have the bundles ready, grab a brown floral wire. This could be any color wire, but I like this brown wire because it's a little bit more thicker and feels more sturdy. Now floral tape the bundles with the brown floral wire to finish it off. Once you're done, you could adjust the leaves by bending a few to its side and make the details show. The second leaf will be the olive leaves, and this will be the same instructions, just with a different shape. The template for the olive leaves are also linked below the video. I also like to make the olive leaves in a lighter shade of green compared to the silver dollar eucalyptus. I also have the baby eucalyptus template and tutorial linked below, and all these paper leaves pair so well with the paper flower bouquet. Please like this video and subscribe. Thank you for watching.